Are you a new writer eager to earn while building your portfolio? Good news. There are plenty of websites that pay well for quality content, even if you're just starting. First on the list is Upwork, a platform that connects freelancers with clients seeking your writing skills. Next, there's Freelancer, where you can bid on projects that match your expertise and earn competitive rates. Fiverr is another fantastic option, allowing you to create service listings starting at $5 with the potential to earn significantly more. TextBroker offers writers a straightforward approach, providing assignments based on your skill level and paying per word. iWriter lets you choose from available writing projects and potentially make a good income based on your writing speed and quality. ProBlogger is ideal for those looking to write blogs, offering a job board filled with high-paying gigs in various niches. Constant Content allows you to write articles on spec, giving you the chance to sell your work directly to clients. Medium Partner Program provides an opportunity to earn money based on the engagement your articles receive from readers. Last but not least, Skyward connects talented writers with major brands looking for high-quality content tailored to their audience. The digital landscape is overflowing with opportunities for writers eager to share their voice and expertise while earning a substantial income. From listicles that entertain to personal stories that resonate, writers can explore diverse formats that captivate readers. Expert tutorials not only showcase skills but also pave the way for writers to establish authority in their niche. Whether your passion lies in travel writing, finance tips, or creative storytelling, there's a platform that caters to your interests. This curated list of high-paying websites provides a launching pad for aspiring writers to make $90 or more per article. By leveraging your unique experiences and skills, you can transform your passion for writing into a fruitful career. Networking within these platforms can lead to collaborations, mentorships, and opportunities that further enhance your writing journey. Consistency in producing high-quality content will not only build your portfolio but also attract a loyal readership willing to engage with your work. As you navigate through the various writing platforms, embrace feedback and learn from each experience to refine your craft. Ultimately, the journey of becoming a successful writer requires passion, perseverance, and the willingness to adapt in an ever-evolving digital landscape. Listverse offers an enticing opportunity to earn $100 for unique list-based articles that intrigue and inform curious readers. The platform covers a wide array of topics, including history, science, and the bizarre, appealing to a diverse audience. To get started, writers need to create a list with at least 10 items, each supplemented by a short and engaging explanation. Focusing on bizarre, humorous, or intriguing topics can significantly enhance the chances of catching the reader's attention. Payment for published articles is conveniently processed through PayPal, ensuring a smooth transaction for contributors. To stay updated and maximize visibility, writers are encouraged to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future opportunities. With these guidelines, aspiring authors can embark on an exciting journey to share their unique perspectives and engage a global audience. By tapping into their creativity and curiosity, writers can not only earn money, but also contribute valuable knowledge to the world. Ultimately, Listverse not only rewards original thought, but also fosters a community of inquisitive minds eager to explore the fantastic and the unknown.